Do things alone. You don't need a friend. Go check out that spot alone. Go have lunch alone. Part of the education that you need to learn is how to show up alone and trust that you can handle it. It's not just what you learn in the books. It's what you force yourself to experience in life. Don't let loneliness or clinginess to your friends or insecurity get in the way of you doing things. Not only can you do things alone, you need to do things alone. Walk into a room alone and introduce yourself without any friends or a partner standing there like they're your supporter. The more you do it, the faster and stronger and more confident you're gonna be. And it is a skill that's gonna bring a lot to your life, including making more money, being more confident, enjoying your own presence alone in public without worrying about what everyone else thinks.